Do you want your hair to grow faster, thicker, and healthier using 100% natural ingredient? Let me show you guys how I made a powerful onion and pineapple leaf hair oil that transform your hair in a week. Stay tuned with me. Now I cut my pineapple leaf. I'm going to scrub it small. Yeah. So after blend it, now I'm going to put it inside the bottle that I'm going to add my oils inside. Okay, you can see the face. Pineapple leaf, it's also having a lot of benefits for hair growing journey. If you are looking for a way to grow your hair naturally or to grow your hair very fast in a week, to get the results in a week time, so this oil don't put single joke of it. Please, you can try it and thank me later. I will use pineapple, garlic, onion, and ginger. So those ingredients that I added into my bottle, I'm adding my olive oil inside. I'm going to use 2 carrier oil, olive oil, and avocado cold press oil. This oil I made it by myself, cold press avocado oil. I did it myself, so you can check my channel to watch and learn how to do it. So after that, I'm doing double boil method. I put it on fire. It's going to stay here for 40 minutes. So after 40 minutes, I'm going to remove it to allow it get cool before I strain it. This oil is very, very powerful. After getting cool, I'm going to strain it. Now my oil is cool. Now I'm going to strain it. So how to apply this oil? You have to apply it direct to your scalp. Okay, massage your scalp for 5 minutes and leave it overnight. Close it, use some rubber bag to cover your hair or shower cap, something that you know that the oil will not come out, so that you leave it for a night. Before, when you just wake up, you can go and wash it, or you can use it at least 2 hours and go and wash it with your shampoo and your conditioner, and followed by your leave-in conditioner, and thank me. It's Please try this oil at home and let me know how it go. Okay, try it by yourself and thank me later, because this oil is very powerful, and I know when you try it you are going to love it, and your head is going to thank you later for taking good care of hair. Because our head, now I'm adding my vitamin E oil inside our head. This type of things are the food for our head. Our head, they also need, sometimes they need pampering, they need care for you to take care of it. So that's it. So this oil is very, very powerful. It's one of the powerful oils that I can suggest and give to you. So, and it doesn't matter if you have high prostate or low prostate, all the hair type you can use it. Because please, you can watch the full video in my channel. The full video is over there. Thank you.